Hello, this is the 14.4 release kickoff of the configure team, and Victor, the product manager of the team. Let's see what we plan to work on during the next milestone. We have two front-end heavy goals. One of them has some back-end work as well, but first of all, we want to improve the UI around Kubernetes integrations. By this I mean that today, since the introduction of the Kubernetes agent, the UI is pretty inconsistent in many ways. When you open the page, you get various views, different tabs. When you click somewhere, everything just changes. You cannot directly link to the Kubernetes agent listing views, just to the cluster certificates and so on. We want to change all this to provide a nice UX around cluster integrations, both agent-based and certificate-based. This means that we are going to introduce a view that actually shows you both of your integrations by recommending the agent on that page already. And then there will be different tabs for only agent listings or certificate-based cluster listings. At the same time, we want to provide deep linking to the specific tabs and of course as well to the details pages that we have even today. The second front-end heavy issue that has already some back-end work related is about information that happens through the agent actually. So for that, we have various event types that we want to show to the user as a listing. This list of events will be available for the last week. Event like connecting or disconnecting the events, when synchronization happens in a pool-based fashion, where configuration changes happen for the agent and that's configured, and of course as well the error messages that you can see here in our designs. This will take most of our work, of our time. As a result, the only other item that we could take on is to make sure that the info-dev issue with our team related to auto DevOps flexible rollouts is deployed during the next milestone, and we can close that off. If time permits, we would like to work on a few other topics as well, primarily moving the agent to core. We already have a set of features that were accepted by product leadership to be moved to core, and we want to start this work, which will likely go on for the next milestone as well. From a board perspective, you can see the specific issues here that are related to the issues that I described, and you can see here the core, moving to core issues. I believe that we might get to start this work, but we have some primary objectives here to fixing the error budgets and making sure that the agent doesn't cause any issues, and we have seen raising error rates from CAS as usage started to increase. As a result, we want to improve our dashboards around CAS and our reporting around CAS so we know where the errors come from, and we want to make sure that we can get rid of most of those issues in the following milestone. So this was the release kickoff. If you have any questions, please drop us a line in the Ask Configure channel. Thank you.